Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Chris, and this is my 2015 F82. I've had it for about like 5 or almost 6 years at this point. So in that time, a lot's already been done to this car. Hopefully I'll show you all of that in another video. But the purpose of this one is that I'm gonna be doing my very first track event in a few weeks. Very excited, just a tiny bit nervous, just a tiny bit nervous, but very excited. It's gonna be at Lime Rock Park up in Connecticut, about a 2-hour drive from here. I actually have to do a bit of maintenance-ish, so like oil changes, all the usual stuff. But the most important thing is that I'm gonna be changing my street summer setup to a more track-focused setup. So with that being said, I've ordered Apex wheels, Apex race parts, I think that's the name of the company, and of course, just Toyo R888s. And we're gonna go ahead and mount those tires and wheels and see if they fit on this car. And the reason why I say see is I've seen a bunch of like forums and people on YouTube videos saying they've had like various like rubbing issues, or they need camber plates, just various forms of complications. So with that being said, yeah, I gotta go ahead and pick up the wheels because I dropped them off at my brother's house, or rather I had them shipped to my brother's house. So we're gonna go over there, mount the wheels and tires, and hopefully they'll fit. And also I'm gonna show you guys the wheels that I currently have on the car. Alright, so this is my current street summer setup. So these are BC forged 20-inch wheels. They are on Michelin Pilot Super Sports. So they are 265, 30, 20 in the front, 295, 30, 20 in the rear. I would rather not run these on the track for obvious reasons. I don't want to get them scratched. It's going to be rocks flying, rubber all over the place. So I want to keep these as clean as possible. And they're very, very dirty right now. Please ignore that. I'm going to clean these today. But I actually had at my brother's house. I'm going to change all the tires and all that. I'm also going to be cleaning the car today. That's a different story. So yeah, I'm going to be switching out to the Apex wheels. The dimensions on those wheels are going to be 18 by 10 offset 25 in the front, 18 by 11 offset 44 in the rear. The tires are going to be, like I mentioned before, Toyo R888s. The specs for the tires are going to be 275, 35, 18 in the front, and 305, 35, 18 in the rear. So I'm going up on both front and rear quite a bit. I think there could be some rubbing issues in the front with the 275s, given that stock tire setup on M4s or F80Xs in general is 255, 275. So we're going to be doing 275 in the front, 305s in the rear. I've heard people done that in the past quite a bit and not having issues. Oh, it's a lantern fly. I should probably kill it, I know, but those things are big. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to take the car to my brother's house, clean it up, mount the new tires, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Look at it.
Oh, I thought you got black.
No, it's anthracite.
Oh, that's better. It looks good.
Yeah. I forgot how small 18s are.
It's gonna look good with the tires.
Yeah. Right. We got the tires. Well, the tires are like in the far back, but these are all 4 wheels and all 4 tires. So me and my brother are gonna go and try and mount them. Alright, we'll see how it goes. I'm tired. These things are heavy. Just got back from the tire shop. Got the wheels mounted on the tires. We're gonna try and put it on that. See how it goes. Alright, so I got the wheels on. Apparently they fit. Don't have any issues so far. This is my brother. He was helping me out with all this. have a sticker. Probably can take that off as his. But so far, it seems to fit. All right, so just left my brother's house. Put all the 4 wheels on. You know, it's mounted. They're on the car. Driving on them. Yeah, and I have all 4 tires and a jack in the back. So when I drive on these very bad New York roads, yeah, it makes a lot of noise. So just on my way back, I'm gonna drop them off, and the track day is not for about 2 weeks from now, as you're watching this video. And yeah, so I got a whole bunch of time, make sure everything's good, put a little bit of miles on the tires so I can rub off that. Apparently there's some kind of film, I'm kind of new to this, but there's a film on the tires. Apparently I gotta rub those off first. So I'm gonna drive a little bit. Of course, like I said, I got 2 weeks until the track. Right now, I'm dropping them off. Me and my brother are gonna go see a movie. And yeah, that's it for now. And then we'll see when the track day starts.